Hello, and welcome to this video. This video is part of our Excel users community of practice. In this short tutorial video, I'll demonstrate the hyperlink spreadsheet function. Although this function is relatively unknown, you'll see it can be incredibly useful. I expect it will take you about 5 to 10 minutes to complete this tutorial, but the resulting new skill could save you hours or even days of work. Start your spreadsheet application, Excel for example. Type in the values you can see on the screen. Then select the cells by clicking on the first cell, in this case town or city, then dragging the mouse to the last cell until all the data is marked. When you see this red pause and try it box appear, I'd suggest you do that if you can, because you'll get far more benefit from the practice. Once you've selected the cells, select the Insert menu and click Table. A pop-up dialog box will appear. You can leave the cell addresses as they are, just put a check mark in the My Table Has Headers checkbox, then click the OK button. When you insert a table, you should see that the column headings are presented in a different color, with drop-down filter buttons, and the rows are shown in alternative colors. It's a very useful habit to form to mark all data in spreadsheets with tables. Next, we'll work out the correct format of the hyperlink. Open your browser and go to Wikipedia. Search for the first town name, in this case Halifax. I've added United Kingdom to make sure that we get to the UK version, since there's a Halifax in Canada. For the purpose of this tutorial, it's best to click on the magnifying glass to make sure that the hyperlink that comes back is correct. We can see search results for Halifax, and the first one is correct. So the result is OK and would probably work for other UK towns and cities. Copy and paste the web address from your browser into the spreadsheet formula bar. The formula bar is reached by pressing F2 on your keyboard or by clicking in the area to the right of the FX label above the column headings ABC and so on. For saving the formula, change it as shown on the screen to add equals hyperlink, open bracket and a speech mark at the start, and speech mark, comma, link in speech marks, and close the bracket at the end. Just use the screen as a guide. When you press the Enter key, you'll see the formula is copied down to the other cells in the Wikipedia column. This is automatically done for you because you've used a table. Click on the link next to Halifax. You'll see it goes to the correct page in your browser. Click on the link next to Bradford though. That one goes to the wrong page. Let's fix that. Change the formula as shown on the screen. We're adding a speech mark and ampersand symbol, then clicking on the town in the same row and adding ampersand speech mark. Or just type exactly what you see on the screen. Once you've changed the formula, click on the Bradford link again and it should take you to the correct page. Let's do similar for the Google Maps and Google columns. On the screen you can see the formula to use for each one. Try them once you've added them, just to make sure that they work. You can now add more towns and cities if you'd like. The Change Me row can be used to try different places, making it work like a search engine. The links will change to work with the town or city name that you enter. Other example uses for the hyperlink function include link to your brand, product and service pages, find head office locations for customers, calculate journey time for a vehicle in your fleet from its current location to another location, link to Rotten Tomatoes or imdb.com for your film library. Obviously there will be more.